going on, guys? Today I'm back with another video, and in today's video I got a new gun. My dad's gonna shoot it. It's a pellet gun. It's a CO2. Thing's pretty good. Hold on, let me show you down this sight.
Can't see that.
Can't really see it, but it's good. There you go, Dad. Alright, you can shoot it real quick.
You gotta pump it?
You don't need to pump it. It's CO2.
Oh, it is CO2.
Alright, so he's gonna shoot it real quick. It came sighted in, that's crazy. But he's gonna shoot it real quick. Let's see this. What are you aiming at?
I don't know.
Alright.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stone.
Oh, by the tree?
No, across the way.
I don't
The
know.
lead stones.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's safe. Alright, there you go. Alright.
Steady enough for this.
Alright. You missed.
What? How did I miss it? You sure that thing was sighted?
Yeah. He hit the pond, like right there.
Just how you
Yeah, there you go. Alrighty.
have something more closer on.
Ooh. What'd you hit? You hit it? Oh.
Yeah, can you hear me hit the tree?
Alright, he hit the tree. Alright, my turn? This thing doesn't have too many more shots left. You hitting that piece of wood?
We're trying.
Alright, if you see that piece of wood, like right there, and you missed.
Yeah. I don't
You
want to be
missed.
on the internet.
You're not. Alright, can you record me?
Yeah.
Alright, now he's gonna record me. I'm gonna go for that piece of wood too. You shoot the piece. Alright, there you go. Hold on. Alright, this helps. Is there no ammo?
That's the problem.
Are you kidding?
I don't know. Here.
No ammo?
I don't know.
Oh my gosh.
That's my piece.
Alright, I'm running out of ammo. I'm gonna fill this up with some ammo. Got some penetration pellets. But yeah, this thing, it's pretty nice. Mainly, I got it for squirrel hunting. That's gonna be another video. And pest control, we have a muskrat in the pond. And we have some type of animal living under the concrete by our front door. So hopefully, I'm gonna record that. If I get that muskrat, I'm gonna kill that thing, because that thing needs to die. But yeah, let me load this thing back up and set you guys down so you guys can see me shooting it. Alright, so I'm gonna shoot over by this birdhouse. Not at the birdhouse, because I don't wanna kill a bird. They do nothing to us. But I'm gonna shoot like behind it, like right there. So let's take a shot. I don't know where that landed. Alright, let's take another one. Where is that going? Is that even 25? Oh, that's not 25 yards. This thing has perfect accuracy on 25 yards. So I'm gonna take it over to this side and do it here. So, we're just gonna take it there. Hopefully this won't drop off. There we go. Alrighty, I'm gonna shoot over by these rocks. Yep, there you go. Hopefully you guys saw that. Where's a bird? Or not a bird. I saw a squirrel over by this tree over here. But a squirrel's gonna be on my dinner plate one day. Yeah, let's just go back to here. Alrighty. I want to get a frog, but I don't see any. That one? Nope. Yeah, I want to get a frog, but I don't see any. Yeah, hunting video is coming out soon. It's gonna be a squirrel hunting video. Catch and cook. Not in the backyard though. At the park. So, parents don't want me killing squirrels in their backyard. Kind of agreeable. Alrighty, guys. This thing is awesome. Alright, so this thing is awesome. Kind of like a short video. I just got it for $140 bucks. It's not bad. It's an air. Let me put it on 60 real quick. It's an air rifle. Really cool. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Having a great day, and peace.